What's up, everybody? This is Mike at VMP Performance, and today we have Mark's 2014 GT Mustang that he brought to us from Texas to get it on the dyno and get everything dialed in. So we've got it up there, we've got it strapped down, and I'm going to let Mark tell you a little bit about what's done to the motor.
Yeah, so it's a short block built by Gearheads in Dallas. It's sleeved Gen 1 block, went ahead and upgraded to Gen 2 heads. Still got Gen 1 timing components. And the Gen3R blower on top.
Yeah, we've got a fuel system, E85.
Yep. And 1650 FIC injectors.
So we've got it strapped down. We are on a 63mm 6-rib Griptech to see if we can get boost to hold on a 6-rib setup. So we already have it up on the dyno, so let's see what this thing's gonna do. We're gonna start out a little bit soft to get a feel for it, see how boost comes in, and then turn this thing up to 11. Alright guys, we just finished up here on the dyno. As I stated previously, we wanted to start out a little bit soft, see how the car was reacting. It did really well in about the 840, 850 range with around 700 foot-pounds of torque. So since it was responding very well and it didn't look like it was getting any belt slip, we decided to really start leaning on this thing and got 924 and 823 foot-pounds of torque on a 63mm Griptech on a 6-rib setup. I'm very impressed with not only the pulley, the ability for the belt to hold on, but the car, the build, everything turned out really well.
Yeah, I agree.
And I think you're ready to go out there and start racing people.
Oh yeah.
And as always, guys, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to see more content just like this from us.